In the heart of Africa's Great Plains and in Asia's lush green forests, a truly magnificent creature roams. This is the elephant. A being of immense size and gentle spirit, it moves with a quiet grace, a wisdom that seems ancient. These animals are more than just large. They are the true guardians of their wild domains. Their presence shapes the land itself. Their lives enrich the world around them. For centuries, humans have watched elephants. We have been filled with wonder and with deep respect. Their strong family bonds are clear. Their intelligence is remarkable. They show emotions we easily recognize. Joy, grief, and compassion are all there. Observing them offers a profound connection. The elephant possesses an extraordinary mind. It is a mind capable of deep thought and of complex problem-solving. Scientists have observed them for many years. They have seen elephants use tools. For example, branches are used to swat flies or to scratch an itch in a hard-to-reach place. This shows clear understanding, an ability to adapt, and to innovate when faced with challenges. Their memory is truly legendary. Elephants can remember distant water sources. They recall routes to feeding grounds, routes learned many years before. They also remember other elephants, and indeed humans too, whether those past encounters were friendly or if they were fraught with danger. This powerful memory is vital. It is vital for their survival and for the cohesion of their families. Empathy is another striking aspect of an elephant's remarkable intelligence. They show concern for others in their group. If a calf is stuck in mud, adults will rush to help. They will work together tirelessly. They comfort those who are distressed, gently touching them with their trunks. This capacity for empathy is profound. It speaks of a deep emotional intelligence. Elephant society is built upon strong family units. These are known as herds. At the heart of each herd is a leader. This leader is almost always female. She is the matriarch, usually the oldest and largest elephant. She holds the collective wisdom of the group. Her experience guides her family through droughts, dangers, and daily life. Her role is absolutely crucial. The matriarch makes all key decisions. She decides when and where to move, where to find food and water, when to rest. The other members of the herd trust her judgment. They follow her lead without question. This strong leadership ensures order. It ensures the safety of the entire family. Her knowledge of the territory is vast. It has been accumulated over many decades, a living library of survival. Family bonds within an elephant herd are incredibly tight. Mothers, daughters, sisters, and aunts live together. They support each other for their entire lives. Elephants are often called ecosystem engineers. This is a very fitting description. Their daily activities shape their surroundings. They create and maintain habitats that benefit many other species. As they move through dense woodlands, they push over trees and clear vegetation. This opens up pathways for smaller animals. It also creates clearings where new plants can grow. This promotes greater biodiversity. Their search for water is also vital. During dry seasons, elephants use their tusks and their powerful feet. They dig into dry riverbeds. This uncovers underground water sources. These newly created water holes become essential, not just for the elephants themselves, but for countless other creatures, animals that would otherwise struggle to survive. The elephant provides a lifeline in arid landscapes. Seed dispersal is another crucial role. Elephants consume vast quantities of vegetation. This includes fruits and seeds from many plants. These seeds pass through their digestive system. Section 5. Echoes of Grief. Understanding Elephant Emotions. The emotional lives of elephants are rich, and they are deeply complex. We see reflections of our own feelings in their interactions and their responses. Joy is evident in their playful antics. Young calves chase each other with abandon. Adults greet familiar friends with rumbles and with flapping ears. These are clear expressions of happiness and of social contentment. A joy that is infectious to observe. But it is perhaps their capacity for grief that is most profoundly moving. Elephants mourn their dead. They will stand beside a fallen companion for hours, sometimes even days. They gently touch the body with their trunks. They may try to lift it or cover it with branches and earth. This behavior shows a deep attachment and a sense of profound loss. It is a solemn and moving sight. Their memory plays a role in this. Elephants have been known to revisit grave sites years after a death has occurred. Section 6. Shadows on the Savannah. The Perils Elephants Face. Despite their size and strength, elephants face many serious threats today. These threats are pushing them towards danger. Poaching remains a devastating problem. Elephants are killed for their ivory tusks. This illegal trade fuels violence and decimates elephant populations. Every elephant lost to poaching is a tragedy, a loss for its family and a loss for the world. The demand for ivory must end. Habitat loss is another critical issue. Human populations are growing. Our settlements and farms expand, encroaching upon elephant territories. Forests are cleared, and savannas are converted to agriculture. This shrinks the space available for elephants, fragmenting their ancient migratory routes. It leaves them with less food and less room to roam freely. This is a slow, creeping crisis. This loss of habitat leads to conflict. Human-elephant conflict is a growing concern. As elephants lose their natural lands, they may wander onto farmlands searching for food and water. This can lead to crop damage and sometimes, tragically, to loss of human life or elephant life in retaliation. Finding ways for humans and elephants to coexist is one of conservation's greatest challenges. Section 7. The Great Trek, Journeys of Survival and Ancient Roots. Elephants are creatures of movement. They undertake long migrations, and these journeys are essential for their survival. They follow ancient routes passed down through generations, often led by the wise matriarch. These paths connect seasonal feeding grounds and vital water sources across vast landscapes. The knowledge of these routes is precious. It is a map etched in their collective memory, essential for navigating their world. These migrations are not undertaken lightly. They can be arduous and fraught with peril. Elephants may travel hundreds of kilometers, facing harsh weather conditions and the constant threat of predators or a lack of resources. They must cross rivers, traverse difficult terrain, and navigate areas of human activity. Their endurance is remarkable, and their determination inspiring. It is a testament to their resilience. Survival strategies are keenly employed during these long treks. They rely on their strong social bonds, protecting the young and the weak. They use their incredible senses, their hearing and smell, to detect danger from afar or to locate distant rain. The matriarch's experience is paramount. Her decisions can mean the difference between life and death for the herd. Her wisdom guides them through. Section 8. A Beacon of Hope, Conservation in Action. Despite the many challenges they face, there is hope for the future of elephants. Dedicated individuals and organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect them. Conservation efforts take many forms, from anti-poaching patrols on the ground to high-level policy changes. Every action, big or small, makes a difference. It contributes to a larger movement of protection and growing awareness. Anti-poaching initiatives are crucial. Brave rangers often risk their lives. They patrol vast wilderness areas to deter poachers and arrest offenders. Technology plays an increasing role here. GPS tracking collars on elephants, drones for surveillance, and intelligence networks to disrupt ivory trafficking. These tools help to protect vulnerable populations and bring criminals to justice. It is a constant, difficult battle. Community involvement is also key. Many conservation projects work closely with local people who live alongside elephants. These projects aim to reduce human-elephant conflict by building elephant-proof fences around farms or by developing alternative livelihoods that do not compete with wildlife. Section 9. Our Shared Future. A call to protect the wise guardians. The future of elephants rests in our hands. These wise guardians of the forest and of the savanna face an uncertain tomorrow. Their survival depends on our choices and on our actions today. We have a moral obligation to protect these intelligent and sentient beings, to ensure they continue to roam free for generations yet to come. This is a responsibility we cannot ignore. Protecting elephants is not just about saving a single species, it is about preserving entire ecosystems. Elephants play a vital role in their environments. Their disappearance would have cascading negative effects, affecting countless other plants and animals. Healthy elephant populations indicate healthy ecosystems that also benefit humanity through clean air, water, and resources. Their fate is linked to ours. We can all contribute to their conservation. Support reputable wildlife conservation organizations.